Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Being Software Engineer. My name is Akash. So today in this video we are going to learn how Java streams works internally, and also I was not making videos from last more than 2 years or almost 3 years because I was placed with child, and which is now almost 3 years. So now I'm getting time to make videos, and also there are a lot of things happen in 3 years. Like I got placed in abroad, and I'm working from abroad from more than 1.5 years. And okay, so if you want me to make videos on such topics like moving to abroad, and pros and cons of moving to abroad, and how to find jobs specifically in abroad, then I can make that videos. Okay, so let's come to the topic. So today's topic is like how Java streams works internally. So Java streams uh, you know came in Java 8. So whenever we apply data structure dot stream dot any intermediate operation and then terminal operation, that time there are three steps that pipeline works in. Like it performs split, apply, and combine. So split uses Spliterator to convert data structure into streams. Then we have apply. So apply process the elements in the of the stream, and combine will perform intermediate operation and then terminal operation and combine the result and then give us a single result. So there are two main types of operations in stream. One is terminal operation, other is intermediate operation. So intermediate operations are lazy operations because they are not performed until there is a terminal operation. So once there is a terminal operation, then only the intermediate operation will be performed, and all the operation in the stream will be there will be linked list created for all the data operation and the pipeline, and it maintains the every operation. So okay, so in split, so we have three steps like split, apply, and combine. So in split, there is a Spliterator. So what Spliterator does is it has string flags. So there are four flags Spliterator has: sized, distinct, ordered. So what size does is it checks if the data structure is already sized, if data structure has distinct element, if data structure is sorted or not, and if data structure has some any meaningful order. It checks that. So why it checks that? So it keeps these information, it keeps these four flags information, so that it can remove unnecessary operation, or it can by making which helps stream to be performed faster, or it marks any operation as redundant. Okay, so let's take an example of collection. So we have, let's say, three collections. We'll take the example of three collections. So there are four string flags like sized, ordered, sorted, and distinct. So let's take an example of array list. So if we perform stream dot list, array list dot stream dot filter or anything, and then terminal operation, then what it does is Spliterator knows that array list is already sized, it is ordered in insertion order, so it will check these two flags, and it will not check sorted and distinct flag. So hash set, if we take the hash set, then hash set, we know that hash set is sized and it is distinct, but it is not sorted or ordered, so it will just check sized and ordered. I'm sorry, sorted I'm sorry, sized and distinct, these two flags. In case of tree set is sized, ordered, sorted, and distinct, so it will check all the flags in case of tree set. So how it helps? So this helps if to mark any operation as redundant, or if it is not required, as I told already. So in this pipeline of stream, these stream flags are always updated in every operation. So and the previous operation flags are combined with the current operation flags, and new set of flags are created. So in previous stage there could be flags which is unchecked, and in new stage there could be flags which is checked. So it combines both and creates the new set of flags. Okay, so let's take an example like how it works internally. So we have tree set. So we have taken the example of tree set, like tree set dot stream dot filter dot sorted dot filter I'm sorry, dot sorted dot collect collectors dot to list. So in this example, tree set is sorted, ordered, and distinct, and it has size known. So when Spliterator keeps check for all these stream flags till the stream, and then we have filter operation. So filter operation, so there are certain operations. If I talk about filter, so filter, it guarantees that the element will be sorted and distinct at the end of it will be sorted out and distinct at the end of an operation. So if the elements are already sorted, so there's a condition, like if the elements are already sorted and if we perform filter on it, then the elements will be sorted, and it will keep and if they're already distinct, then it will keep the distinct, so it will not change these flags. So that's why Spliterator will not clear um, will not clear distinct and sorted in case of filter, but it clears sized, because filter can change the size of the collection. That's why it clears sized, but it keeps sorted and distinct. In case of map, if we talk about map, then we know that so map clears sorted and distinct, but it keeps sized, because map can perform any operation, and it can make this the collection unsorted, undistinct, I mean duplicate. It can insert duplicate, but it guarantees that at the end of map operation the size will be same. So Splitter will clear sorted and distinct, but it will keep sized. But if we talk about sorted, so if we have sorted operation in stream, then in that case it will keep sized, distinct, and it will add one more flag which is sorted, because we are going to sort it. So it will add one more flag if the collection is already not sorted. So in this example, let's come to the example now. So we have treeset dot stream dot filter e starts with BSE, that is being software engineer, dot sorted dot collect. So treeset has all flags checked. So till here we'll have all the flags checked, and we have sorted operation here. So but we know that treeset is already, Splitter keeps the flag of sorted. So this operation Splitter will mark as redundant, because we know that the tree set is already sorted, the collection is already sorted, so this operation is not required anymore. So this operation will be removed, and the pipeline will perform all the operation except this operation, because it is not required. So this is how stream will faster the operation by removing unnecessary operations and by maintaining the stream flags. So this is the use of stream flags. Okay, so intermediate operations are also divided into two types of operations, like stateless and stateful. So intermediate operations, like we have filter, map, flat map, sorted, limit, distinct, drop file. These are kind of intermediate operations. So if there are only stateless operations like filter, map, flat map, then they'll be performed in single path. The execution will be done in single path, and we'll get the result. Like if we have list.stream.map.collect, then the execution will be performed in single path, and we'll get the result. But if we have stateful operation along with the stateless operations, so stateful operations like sorted, limit, distinct, drop file, these are kind of examples of stateful operations. So if we have those operations also along with stateless operations, so the result of stateless operation will be combined and aggregated, and then it will be given to stateful operation. On that result, on that aggregate result, the stateful operation will be performed. So because of that, the time and space complexity of stream operation, I mean stream complete operation will be increased, because it has to first aggregate, it has to combine, and then it has to perform that stateful operation. So yeah, this is it. So, and also terminal operations also divided into two types of operations, like non-short circuit operation and short circuit operation. So non-short circuit operations, example like reduce, collect, forage, these are kind of non-short circuit operations. So these operations process bulk data by using Spliterator's for each remaining method. And short circuit operations like any match first, I mean find first, etc., are process data one by one until it returns true or false. Like if we have any match find first, then it has to process every data until it finds any match, and then only it terminates. So this is all about Java 8 streams. Hope you like it. If you like it, please press thumbs up and please subscribe my channel, which will motivate me to make more videos. So have a great time. Bye.